Churchgate single. Thank you. So I've reached to Churchgate station, and right now it's 7:05 a.m. in the morning, and let's see if the TC catches me. I want him to catch me, so let's see. As you can see, there's a TC over there checking tickets for the passenger, and I'll be vlogging, and let's see if he catches me. I'm looking forward to catch me, and no. Beautiful Churchgate station, and we have lovely morning over there. I can see the sun coming up. It's a lovely morning. Right now it's 7 a.m. like 7:10 a.m. and okay, there's a Ninja 300 250R actually. So now let's head to the Horniman Circle. So what's up guys, this is me Om and welcome back to yet another video. So it's been a while since I have come here at the Horniman Circle. It's been 4 months since I have come over here. So the reason behind coming over here is my friend Hemang Bhai. He informed me that today there will be around hundreds of bikers which are going to come at Horniman Circle. There's a special event, not basically an event. There's a birthday of Hemang Bhai's friend. So he has organized a ride. So there will be 100 super bikes which are going to come at the Starbucks. So I have come over here to witness the event. So let's see how it goes. And it's been a while since I have come over here, so I'm feeling excited. And now let's see what can I can spot. So till then, continue. The aura that we get in the morning is next to impossible. Like the positivity in the air is so, man, it's so beautiful. So what's up guys, this is Om and welcome back to yet another video. So this is the second time I am introducing myself. So I've reached at the Horniman Circle over here, and I can see there are more than 20 bikes over here, and let me show you one by one. It's looking so beautiful. So the first bike we have over here is the Triumph Tiger 900, and please ignore that dog over there. So we have Triumph Tiger 900 with the second bike is the Triumph Scrambler 400X along with the ADV, the F900XR, which is very rare, like I have seen only couple of times on the road. And this is the Hemang Bhai's BMW GSA 1250, and we have also got a GSA coming. So this is the Danny Sir's GSA. You must have seen him on Mumbai Ka Nikhil's vlog. And this is the first time I am seeing the S1000RR XR in this shade. Wow, it's beautiful looking compared to this is the F900R and this is the S1000RR. But there's so much difference between them. Wow, like the air intake, the color, wow, it's looking brand new. Beautiful. The R1250 exclusive. Whoa. GSA Kawasaki versus 1000. Nice white color. Inline 4, okay. Oh, the new BMW S1000RR, the carbon fiber. Whoa. Oh, it's so clean, man. And bro, could you please shut up for a second? Carbon fiber, mudguard, the winglets. It has also gotten this frame sliders, tank pad, the carbon fiber, this underbelly. Whoa. Is it got a full system exhaust or not? Oh, yes. Akrapovic, titanium. Beautiful. And this is looking massive, like both the sides. GSA 1250. Yes. GSA. Again GSA. No, this is GSA, but it has not got a full screen. This windscreen. Triumph Tiger Rally Pro 1200, I guess. Then this is again BMW GSA with 1200, 1250 Triumph Tiger XCX, the one which this Mohammed Salim Khan MSK had. GSA 850, quite small. And this is a Ninja 1000 SX, I guess. The stock exhaust. Harley 10R, which has got an Actro with exhaust. Damn. Wow. And of course the Ducati Multistrada 1250S. Beautiful. And this is the first time I'm looking this about this bike. I don't know. Oh, it's a BMW. I didn't recognize this bike. And we have also got an BMW 2 GSA over there, 1250s, like in different shades. So far, this is the lineup over here. And this motherfucker dog is continuously irritating me while I'm vlogging. Sorry, अभी क्या बोल सकते हैं? GSA, man, wow. I'm sure this is the dream of the most of the boys. Wow. And it's very good. Like, there are no spotters over here, and wow, that is the plus point over here. Like, we have not got any single spotter so far, and it's very good to spot the bikes very closely. So yes, so let me show you from here one by one. So let's start. BMW Ducati 10R with a lovely equipment after modified, and we have got a Honda Civic with an exhaust, of course. Ninja 1000 GSA, Tiger GSA, lovely S1000 RR, beautiful looking. Kawasaki Versys GSA S1000 RR, GSA, BMW, and Triumph. And we have also got an ZX-10R with like stock exhaust. And there's a Grand America over there. So far, this is the bikes which have come over here at the Horniman Circle Starbucks, and it's 7:35 a.m. in the morning. And I want to see the lineup of them when they are going, while they will go. So let me give you the cinematic shots. So till then, continue. Look at that choppery. He's chasing the ZX-10R. Wow, lovely S1000 RRs coming. Wow. Oh my god, man. Wow. Damn, man, you're improvising.